Hey, hi friends, welcome to Decor Catalog. We, as an interior and exterior design experts, share with you modern trending and eye-catching designs that can enhance the charm and beauty of your house. So please subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. It is really very pleasuring for me if you mention your country from where you are watching this video. In this channel, we explore the world of interior design and bring you innovative ideas to transform your space. In this captivating video, we showcase a collection of stunning modern wall floating shelf designs that will add a touch of elegance and functionality to any room. Join us on a visual journey as we dive into a variety of contemporary floating shelf concepts that push the boundaries of traditional storage solutions. Discover how these minimalist marvels can effortlessly elevate your home decor and help you create a more organized and stylish living space. From sleek, clean lines to unique shapes and materials, we explore a wide range of designs options that cater to different tastes and by aesthetics. Learn about the versatility of floating shelves and how they can be used to showcase your favorite books, art pieces, photographs. We also explore how these shelves can be cleverly incorporated into different areas of your home, including the living room, bedroom, kitchen, and home office, offering both practical storage solutions and eye-catching displays. Our video provides a visual feast of gorgeous modern wall floating shelf installations and accompanied by insightful tips and tricks to help you successfully integrate them into your own interior design projects. From installation techniques to styling suggestions, we offer practical advice to ensure you achieve the desired aesthetic and functionality in your space. Floating shelves can be a stylish and practical addition to any space, providing a modern and minimalist look while maximizing storage and display options. Here are some expert tips and tricks to help you install and style floating shelves effectively. Number 1. Choose the right type of shelf. There are various types of floating shelves available, including wooden, glass, metal, and acrylic. Consider the aesthetic of your space and the weight of the item you plan to display before selecting the appropriate material. Number 2. Determine the ideal location. Decide where you want to install the floating shelves, considering the both functionality and aesthetics. Common locations include living rooms, bedrooms, kitchens, and home offices. Measure the wall space to determine the length and number of shelves you will need. Number 3. Find the studs. It's crucial to anchor the floating shelves securely to the wall. Use a stud finder to locate the studs and mark their positions. Mounting the shelves directly into the studs will provide the necessary support to hold the weight. Use the right hardware. Invest in high quality shelf brackets or hidden bracket systems that are specifically designed for floating shelves. The hardware should be durable and capable of supporting the weight of the shelves and their contents. Number 5. Level the shelves. Use a level to ensure that the shelves are installed straight and evenly. Uneven shelves can look unprofessional and compromise their functionality. Take your time to measure and level the shelf accurately before attaching them to the wall. Number 6. Distribute the weight of the items you plan to display on the shelves evenly. Avoid placing too many heavy objects on one side, as it can cause the shelf to tilt or become unbalanced. Number 7. Install additional support if needed. If you intend to display particularly heavy items or want to ensure extra stability, consider adding extra support brackets or using a French cleat system. These refinements will provide added strength and security. Number 8. Decorate with balance and style. When styling your floating shelves, aim for a balanced and visually pleasing arrangements. Mix and match different size objects such as books, plants, decorative items, and artwork. Leave some empty space to create an open and airy feel. Experiment with different layouts. Don't be afraid to rearrange and experiment with different arrangements until you find the one that suits your space best. Try different heights, groupings, and combination to create an interesting display. Number 10. Regular maintenance. Dust and clean the shelves regularly to keep them looking their best. Avoid placing items directly on the shelves without protections to prevent scratches or damage. Consider using shelf liners or coasters to protect the surface. Remember to always follow the manufacturer's instructions and guidelines when installing floating shelves, and consult a professional if you have any doubt about the structural integrity or installation process. I hope this video is according to your taste. If you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.